Hi. So I get a lot of questions, and this question is about if I have a cough, can I do the Wim Hof breathing? The answer is big time yes. Yes, for many reasons. And let me, that's the answer. So you know the answer now. If you don't want to watch further, that's cool. And now I'm going to explain why this is. Okay, within the Wim Hof breathing, we have three phases, right? The phase one is the breathing phase, then breathe out and hold, and then the recovery breath. Now, what happens in this first phase, when we over-breathe, we start breathing more, we get triggered, our fight or flight, the part of the autonomic nervous system called the sympathetic nerve system, also known as fight or flight, is activated. And this means that your blood vessels are going a little bit, they contract a little bit. It means more adrenaline is produced. It also means that your lungs take up more oxygen. Yeah, your brain works a bit better, your memory becomes better. So after that, now, is that okay? Well, yes, it's okay because it's temporarily. Yeah, so if you would always live in fight or flight, you're completely effed, basically. But if it's temporarily, and this is why we breathe out and hold our breath in the breath hold, in that phase you kind of fall into the opposite, not the sympathetic fight or flight, but the parasympathetic and rest and digest. And what it does for my feeling, it like after a few rounds of breathing, you reset yourself. Yeah, so you're exactly in between sympathetic, parasympathetic, or 50-50, which is for most people these days that you calm down. That's a positive side effect. So back to coughing. I've had it myself. I had a cough and did the breathing anyway. And many people are asking this now. Some people are actually sick with corona and have this cough and pressure on the chest. And how it works for me and how it works for other people that I've spoken to as well is when you do this over breathing phase, phase one of the Wim Hof method, you will probably cough a lot more, like every time, or you get like you really have to cough a lot. But after 4 rounds or a few rounds of breathing, you will notice that for a few hours your cough is gone. And why is that? It is what I think is happening is because you activate your fight or flight, and then your rest and digest, the parasympathetic, and you keep on doing that every round. And during the fight or flight, your lungs are able to take up more oxygen, simply because you have to be ready to fight or flight, right? And so that's beneficial. And for me, it just feels like if I breathe a lot, I clean it up also there. So please, if you have a cough, can I do Wim Hof method breathing or any other breathing technique? Yes. One more side note, I would breathe nose in and mouth out. Then always belly first, then chest, nose in, mouth out, and that's it. So please let me know if this works for you, and talk to you soon in another video. Thanks, bye, hope this helped.